So for our topic for today, we have three specific objectives. That is for you to understand or define genetics, hereditary, and variation using scientific terminology. Second, for you to identify major milestones in the discovery of DNA structure. And then third is for you to describe the relationship between genes, chromosome, and traits. So, I apologize, adding ko na awan hindi usalan tayo mga LCD projector na sila sa amin. Okay, may mga nunuli o kula ako usalan tayo. Okay, so first, question number 1. Mo di asumbat na ito magdala sa bato talaga ng board that corresponds to 2 points each per question. And yet again, doon nakasumbat ka, medyo bayan mo kasi ito will give chance to others. Ano ito ipan dito sa pagpapila. Okay, question number 1. What is genetics? Anyone? What is genetics? Apelyido tayo. Luis.
Genetics is a branch of biology that studies the variation and heredity of living organisms.
Okay. Any more idea of what is genetics? That is correct, I think ko ha. Ano ba yung genetics? Kawanin? Okay, the genetics to na tayo, this is a branch of biology that focuses on the study of number 1, genes, second, hereditary, third, variation in living things. Okay, so as we go along in our topic, we will discuss what are the differences of those three. Additionally, genetics explains how traits are transmitted from one generation to the next and how differences arises among individuals. So, hantay kakalanga, hantay nagpapatay insura, ibuok, matakin agong, it's because of genetics. Okay? Third, genetics also seeks to understand how the information is stored in DNA and it's expressed by replication and transmitted across generation. Ulitek at dito, gusto nga natin ang kakalanga, natin ang ipapatay, itaya, insura, ibuok, mata, agong, o rin para kayo mga lupak yung sa balipay lang ano dyan una, it's because of genetics. Okay? And second, what is hereditary? Ano po yung hereditary? Nasa kayo hindi ka alam. Ano ang subject? Arts upre. Pinag-utang pa. Sabi na talaga kung sa'yo. Genetics din to. Okay. Sige, second. Or next. Gusto ko na anak pa. What is hereditary? Okay? Anyone, what is hereditary? Sige, muna lagi.
Hereditary is traits or a disease that is positive disease that is passed down from our parents to us.
Okay, hanapay. Ang definition ng hereditary para ngayon. The hereditary ko natin this refers to quote-unquote biological process by which traits is passed down from parents to its offspring through pinagpasa tayo ni genes. Okay? Question. Next question. Ano yung gene? Ano yung G-E-N-E-S? Yes, apelyido? Salako.
Gene is a segment of the DNA.
Okay. Gene is a segment of DNA that is located. Wait lang. Gene is where the inheritance or the maipasa na attribute is located. Okay? And gene carries instructions. Instructions for what? An idea. Ano din gene could contain or ano din instruction na could contain ito may isang gene? Ano din instruction na could contain ito may isang gene? Based on our or in your definition ito may isang gene. Di ba kung na tayo, gene carries traits. Diba? Iti may isa nga tao. That the question ko, ano din siya information kung contain iti may isa nga gene? Instructions that codes for the traits of a specific organism. Okay, again, ulitin tayo. Hereditary refers to the biological process by which traits are passed down from one organism or from the parent to its offspring through genes. And the next is genes is defined as the inheritance or where the inheritance is located. Kaya na nagpakakitaan tayo nga din sa inheritable material. Iti may isa the organism. Okay, so gene carries specific instruction that codes for the organism's physical features or physical traits that can be inherited or passed down to another generation. Okay, so mabalin nga may inherit digijay. Again, physical traits, biological processes, such as, for example, mood or behavior. Yung nga, take a look at this, not all behavior and not all nga mood get maalay in mesa nana or tata or the parent. Some are acquired in the environment. Okay, next, hereditary refers or explains the similarities between parents and their children and accounts for why offspring resembles their ancestors. So nga, sika, kalang lang ang tatang mo, nanang mo, o nilulong nilulang kasi we have the hereditary mechanism of our genes, or rather, we have our genes that is passed down from one generation to another. And that explains also, makapay nga, ang kalkalang na si Kambal, yung mga nangagpada iti, alam mo ba na tayo? Dijay fingerprint daw. Okay, kasi some of the features were passed down from your ancestor, from their ancestor to them. Okay, and next, in connection to the palakas ng itatay, anyang variation. Diba? Pagkalkalangan na naman varian da, which is design fingerprint da. Okay, what is variation there? Anyone? Let's take note of your points at ko at to know midterm lang tayo. Midterm lang tayo ba dito ngayon add digit sa points yun. Okay? Yung maalay during discussion into know midterms. What is variation po? Ano po yung variation? Ano po yung alam natin about variation? Yes? Apelyedo? Basamo.
Sir, when it comes to variation, it's the differences or changes among individuals or organisms.
Okay, take a look at this. That if we talk about variation, the keyword there is differences among individuals, okay, of the same species. Well, again, of the same species po. Even among those with same parents. Oray, magpada kayo tinanang, magpada kayo titatang, yung madalang sa features na pagpadaan nyo, yung at ano din sa pagkumaan nyo. Diba? Kalang-langang ni Kapsat mo, for example, kalang-langang ni tatang mo, kalang-langang ni atem, ni kuya. Ngayon, ang kay nagpata na lupak niya muna. Ni atem, nataling aguna, sika, pipig, or nakapaklir, baka siya kuma. Okay? And variation is essential for adaptation. Why? Apay men nga hindi variation ket essential, hindi adaptation, hindi may isa nga tao. That's the idea. Or naan man nga tao, any organism. Apay man nga hindi variation ket essential for adaptation, hindi may isa nga organism. Yes, Miss. Okay. Take note of this, that variation is essential for adaptation because it allows one organism to survive in changing environment. Okay? Akas tigitay mula yung unana ang sa mula yung datan. Diba? And the mula yan siya desert, kaan nakapada sa mula kalat dito'y arid or lungsod, di ba? Some of some of the plants that are located in dry desert, adult forms na aduity, or adult forms, and siif na as compared to the dito. Kasi apay, that allows for protection for predation, and aside from that, can store water inside their system. And then, yet again, variation is essential for adaptation as it allows one organism to survive. Okay? So, ano rin yung variation na makita tayo hindi may isang tao? Or organism, I should say. Number one is physical, second is psychological, and then third is behavioral. So, yet again, kung pada kayo tao, hanggang pada ugali. Kaya hanggang pada hindi lang ha, hanggang pada hindi ugali. Detect physical, behavioral, and psychological. And then, next question. What do you think are the sources of variation? What do you think are the sources of variation? You can miss or the organism. Any idea? Let's focus on hindi tao latan. Okay? Anya dito sources mabalin nga pangalaan iti may isang tao na apalat ng handa na agkakalangan. Yes? Environmental factors or environmental influence. Okay, can you give me one? Diet, anapay? Ha? Aside from diet, what else? Apelyido. Insurance. Okay, anapay? Aside from the diet, what are other environmental factors that influence variation? UV exposure, anapay? Climate, anapay? Di ba sa balik lang nga, or sa balik lang nga, di kita natin dyan, Western Hemisphere as compared to Eastern, Western Hemisphere. Di kita kabagyang dyan, nagtatakper na pudpudong da as compared to Inca. Okay, di kita kabagyang dyan, North Pole, at ito iti balakibo da as compared to Inca. Okay? So, di sa sungko, ay, something mo basit, nagseryoso tayo 2A. Okay? So aside from environmental factors, what else? Genetic variation. Nakas ko natin datay, ang sundabali kay magpiti, nanangken, tata. Okay? Depende laing magkabsat kayo. Again, okay? Haad, di kita kabsat handa nagkakalanga. Although at some features, ang napagpalaan lang, mostly handa nagpada. Okay? And third is mutation. Okay? Now, question, takdir. Ulit po apelyido. Vigilant sa likod din naka-i-class. Zika. Okay. Can you please explain why mutation aids in variation? Or how do mutation get an influence in variation? Wants to steal 2 points from his apelyido type? Santos. Who wants to steal 2 points from Miss Santos? 5. Yes, apelyido. Tipik Santos. Al?
Albinyana.
Nagagulat na. Winston. Piling ko na anak ka na asok ka, Winston. Okay. New alleles, okay. Which may result in new traits. Okay. That's correct. I think mutation creates new alleles which may pass down from one generation to another. So for example, okay, ito nag-mutate, ito may isang cactus, anday at may isang cactus nag-mutate. Naipasa na from one organism or from kanya na kanya siya offspring na. Hindi ko mado. For example, hindi sunggo ka pa lang, for example, hindi sunggo ka pa lang, Okay, nag-mutate ka as tao kasi nagpimudot iti lubong, ihaan lang kasi sila nagbalin nga tao, pati kumain siya, balin ka mga offspring mo. Again, mutation creates another allele, okay, and that is passed down from one generation to another. Now, question, anyat allele nga maununa? What is allele? Yes, Mr. Cariaga.
An allele suggests a specific variant or a specific any specific genes or that express certain traits.
That expresses or that codes for a certain trait. Kailan may pen, nga ti allele, isulat ni mga code, isulat mga express, it is specific nga langa or specific nga trait, iti may isang organism. So remember those terms sa bingo, sa paamindi kita. Now, let's discuss the beginnings of the genetics, or genetics ko natin. So genetics as school, okay, or as a subject was developed not because, okay, not because of observations lang. Okay, again, ulitin, science or the science of genetics evolved not based on observation only, but rather it is based on a lot of readings, a lot of experimentations that was conducted by the early scientists. So, yung una na, at itikuwa, okay, nga section or era na kati, ito genetics. Yung una is the pre-Mendelian genetics. Okay, the sumaruno is the Mendelian genetics, which Mendelian genetics gives rise to the third era, which is the molecular genetics. Okay, ulitan tayo Number one, we have the pre-Mendelian genetics. Idikwan ata ni Mendel, so nag-Mendelian genetics tayo. And from the Mendelian genetics, gives rise to the third era, which is the molecular genetics. Okay, so pahapyawan ilang basit. Okay, noanya dito yung natalong era. Number one, the pre-Mendelian genetics. Okay. In pre-Mendelian genetics, we have, I think, 3 subsections. We have number one, the blending inheritance. Okay, anya na siya mapunto ng blending inheritance dito. Based on our definition that tayo ng genetics, anya din siya blending inheritance. Any idea from the term itself? Except pala ka dito lang dito. Anya blending genetics. Any idea? Apelyido? Sarmiento.
Blending inheritance, I think, sir, is a mixture of traits from both parents.
Okay, as simple as this, blending inheritance na tayo, there's a traits kano, hindi parents na nag-blend kanijay offspring na nakawatan. So, yet again, the mechanism that talks about this specific inheritance na feature is that kasama kung nag-create ka or nag-mix ka iti kulay. Okay, for example, red can white, nagbalin nga pink, isuna. No man ibaga tayo nga tall can short, medium tall, kano din siya offspring na. Okay, now the next question there is, what do you think is the major flaw of this theory? Ulitan tayo, no mix ko na tayo or blending inheritance, nagtipon lang kano, dijay traits, itinana or parent, kano siya offspring na. Now the next question there is, anya iti major flaw na detoy nga theory? Any idea? Anya madi, yan din ang theory. Talking about, let's talk about alleles, okay? Let's talk about variation, etc. Yes? Nakaya na nalipag natin. Dapat yan doon tayo. Sakto.
After?
When?
Sir, nasa lang kami outings na sir, iwas ka nag-pass na the genes and traits na nagkasala ng gamit ni Kambal, iwas ka nag-pass na.
Okay. Di umuna ni Jai, haan tayo ng maibaga nga suna di dry mismo anak na di dry kasi nag-create mismo na iti baro. Okay? Sa kanila example dito tayo, pink plus red, ay red plus white equals pink. Kaya hamon may baga nga anak ni red kani white ni pink kasi sa bali ng kulay di dry. Okay, and aside from that, it is responsible rather for, it could not explain variation loss, okay, or variation and the reappearance of parental traits. So yan di red, ganyan di white, equals pink, awan makitam na red, ken awan makitam na white. Okay, kasi ako maimbagam lang na sika, ket anak yung isuna. Okay, kasi iti blending inheritance. Kasi, for example, puraw isuna, di ako iisip yung aya. Kasi never know pasamang siya. Okay, nawa tayo kaya mga sa web. Ngayon, blending inheritance. Kaya nung apay nga kaan nga acceptable isuna. Again, it could not explain variation and the reappearance of the parental traits. Well, and kasi nag-create isuna iti barong organism. Okay, next, aside from the blending inheritance, we also have the inheritance of acquired characteristics by John Baptiste Lamarck. Okay? Kung tigil-kilatan, ipasa ko pa nyo dito yung PowerPoint para after discussion. Sino ni John Baptiste Lamarck? Isuna ket may isang scientist na nagbiyag hindi before kanya yun. Okay? He was the proponent of the so-called Lamarckism. Kaya anyat ket na sa wala din siya Lamarckism. Any idea? The Lamarckism, he talks about the rule of use and disuse. Okay? Kuna na, habang gusto sa rin din siya mesang organ or mesang trait, may enhance isuna. Okay? Din siya sa body or rather contradicting that one, din siya disuse. Okay? No hamos, kung sa rin din siya mesang trait, makukaw kanuting ka. Okay? No hamo nga, kung sa rin din siya pagkalalaki, makukaw kanuting ka. No hamo sa rin din pagkababae, makukaw kanuting ka. That's the rule of use and disuse sa kasko na nila Mark. Okay? So, this was one of the earliest systematic attempts to explain how organism change over time and how traits are passed down from one generation to another. So, for example, iti very common example kaya nila Lamarckism ket hindi kaluon ko na di giraffe basit kanu pilang i-connect na. Okay, as the days go by, okay, DJ kanu hula nag-adapmet kasi pumudpudot or lumamlamis na di ba ba, dumakdakel kanu siya hula agal ala iti sunlight. So tapos makaalat sunlight so na dumakkel isuna. So tapos tanding giraffe na herbivores, okay, ag-adapt na kanumet. So from short neck, tumayag or tumakkel siya nagdatakton maabot na kanu siya kanenda. That's the essence or that's the idea behind Lamarckism. Okay? So, here again, kung hamamok sa rin kanu di siya mesa ng body part or di siya mesa ng characteristics or trait, makukaw inka or nus ko sa rin makakanayon, ma-enhance isuna. That's the rule of acquired characteristics. So, ni Lamarck, mamati isuna nga habang nga evolve iti maysang na organism, agang acquirement kanu iti baro nga trait. Although that's correct. Okay, ngayon, adda iti flow na. Okay, so why do you think that Lamarck's idea was disproved? Apay met nga na-disprove or apay met nga acceptable di siya idea ni Lamarck. Apay nga handa ma-econote isuna iti genetics. Again, una na, mamati isuna nga acquired ni Mesa nga tao or Mesa organism din yung characteristics. That's true. Habang nga gagabol isuna. Ngayon, apay met nga haan nga acceptable isuna in the field of the genetics. Nakasto na tayo. One characteristics is passed down from one generation to another by the use of alleles or genes. Okay, now, apay met nga haan na acceptable ng isuna in the field of genetics. Yes, Miss Pink. Ano tayo? Naga. Lorraine. Yes, Miss Lorraine. Hindi acquired ka pa ano may intindihin. Hanapin mo balin mo o natin word sa connected page. Kapalit na yung pintas pa din bagana. Yes, Miss Lorraine, nagpanunod ka pa eh. Tapos isulat mo tanagan mo. Okay. In genetics of pain, okay, or in passing down of traits, okay, only those germ cells are passed down from one generation to another. So, create isuna or rather, no tumayag di mesa nga tao, okay, no organism, or create isuna the other trait, the evolving joy are the somatic cells, okay, not the germ cell. And in genetics, only only those germ cells are passed down from one generation to another. When that is the egg cell and then that's the sperm cell. So there is no genetic basis. So apay bet na nakukaw or apay bet na disprove if the idea ni Lamar. Okay, second, anapay yung mabalin tayo na i-note or i-relate na apay bet na disprove di jay theory ni Jean-Baptiste Lamar. Aside from no genetic basis. Manunod. Nagsubiti ka na dyan muna tayo i-discuss kayo. Yung genes. Okay? Because during the course of time, there is now the discovery of genes and DNA. And therefore, that disproves all of the Gizay idea ni Lamar. Okay? Nakas kung natin at time, anyan alilan, anyan ginsen. Okay? So, because of those new discovery in the future, or rather, new discovery that ma-disprove isuna. So, una, no genetic basis, makadwa is the discovery of genes and DNA, and makatlo is experimental evidence. So, we have this specific scientist called as August Weismann. Ni August Weismann. Ni August Weismann, he was the one who really disproved Jean-Baptiste Lamar. Okay? Kunana, ay di ba ko na nila market as long as at deity ma-enhance na characteristic iti based sa organism, may pasan tuman kanya na. Okay, or there's your offspring na. Ngayon, DJ experiment ni Mr. talaga, ni August Weismann, inangkat isuna ipipos ni Bao, okay? And then, after such time, inuray na, kaya nakabaybay na makapag-produce pa yung offspring yan, then kita na naputod mo lang talaga sa ipos, di ba? And that disproves now the theory of Lamar. So, the offspring ni Bao, at ipos na natin do. I mean, rather, comparing it kanin sa nanang yan tatanda. Okay? So, aside from that too, we also have the theory of Darwin, which is called as pangenesis. Ang kapande ko po pangenesis. Okay? The pangenesis, it was proposed for Charles Darwin, okay, in the mid-19th century, which is somehow recorded in his book. Okay, nalipatak siya nagan sa libron kita yung lataan line niya. Okay, again, the theory of pangenesis na isurat na yan sa sa libro ng 19th century. Okay, now, anamat na rin dati makon ko ng pangenesis. So, pangenesis is all parts of the organism's body produce tiny particles called as gemmules. Gemmules ba dapat? Yeah, gemmules. Okay, now, question. Ano dati gemmule? Anyan ubrahin na kano? Iti may sa nga bagi, iti may sa organism. Any idea? Aside from, hindi kita pa yan. What are gemmules according to Charles Darwin? So, para kay Charles Darwin, kaslada lang kanong cells. Yung mga anong na cells, ito nang tawag na, gemmules na ron. Okay? So, according to Charles Darwin, gemmules carry information about the condition of each body part. So, nagsakit ka no, iti may sa, for example, nagsakit, di siya nasa nga parte itibagin. Di ka no gemmule, ti agi magbaga, o magibagbaga nga nagsakit di siya. So, somehow it carries information about that specific body part. Okay, second, they are circulating all throughout the body via the bloodstream. Okay, and then third, they accumulate in the reproductive organs. So again, gemmules codes for the information of a specific body part, according to Charles Darwin. Okay, so during reproduction, kano, these gemmules from one parent are concentrated to the organs of that one parent, sexual organs of that one parent, and then may transmit kano, or transmitted to the offspring via sexual intercourse, according to Charles Darwin. So, DJ kano lang okay, kakastay lang ta, nagdabukin ninanang mo, kanitatang mo, it's because of gemmules. Okay? Ipasa kano via sexual reproduction. Okay? And then, one purify, nung kano nag-transfuse ka itidara from one organism to another, DJ kano characteristics na, okay, umay kano ka, apay, kasi gemmules travels via the bloodstream. Okay, the question there is, why do you think the theory of Darwin was disproved? Apay met na mali, DJ theory ni Charles Darwin. Yes, Miss Lopo. Kasi different ko di pali siya kung ikaw ng Lopo. So, hindi ko lang Lopo. Apay mat na na-disprove DJ theory ni Charles Darwin. That's because of mas pasang yun. Kasi kawan di evidence na aside from awan ka evidence na posible na awan evidence na aside from din magalis ko mo ang napay or mabalik mo na yunan dyan baka gusto ko. Okay. Apay man ka na-disprove. Aside from J. Pagalinis Promo nga, there's no way to prove that gemmules or there's no way to prove that gemmules are existing or coexisting in the system of an organism. Kasi kung natin natay, there is now modern genetics. Okay, the discovery of DNA, genes, and alleles. Okay, lagay pa niyo ating ko, madibisay na talilo sa pagdikdikusan tayo. Itatara semester. Well, so aside from the pre-Mendelian era, we have the Mendelian era. Okay, ang amutin man namin na ni Tito Gregor. Diba? Ni-uncle tayo Gregor Johann Mendel. Okay, yan tinobra ni Johann Mendel din, or Gregor Mendel. device no niya discovery ni Gregor Johann Mendel. Dito kasi sinas ko pangalan. So kita kag sinas ko pangalan sa klase. Apay, anak, ano din siya no brother Gregor, lolo yung mga Gregor. La. Dalo malagip yun siya ito brana na yung natin ng basit, no ato na yun tayo, kani correct tayo, no ato correct tayo. Yes. Miss Natalia, dito tayo. Sika. Dili papaklotan din kami na tulo, di kaaway mo di first meeting. Miss Natalia tayo. Ha? Vera. Ngayon itong brand ng government na lang. Ano kung kompleto natin sa mga pagkakataon? Okay, the main idea nga magbagamit ng spear rocket ni Gregor Mendel nag-ura iti or namusarap iti with different colors. Kano? Wala na para kanya na design. Okay, who wants to add or who wants to change something, kanito yung pagaling spear. Pag-iisip kayo. Okay, next time, okay, to the Lunes or to the Wednesday, basta to the klase tayo next week. Sakto kaya ito makita yung alam mo nung kung na yun isa. Okay? Nag-take notes kayo, mabalin kayo sa mga iPad or your tablets, mabalin pang take notes an, yung mga kung kaya take notes ka siya. Well, now, sino ni Gregor Mendel kaya itong brana? Takaabay ni Miss Pro kung nakakala. Yan yung isang kita extern. Ano pang lugar natin ito tayo? Toribio. Okay, Mr. Toribio. Ayan itong brand ni Gregor Mendel. Sino yung suna ka na itong brand?
He lived in a farm, tapos he tracked down the plants to know that, to know nung nagapuan na yung place, din kasi nung may was passed through obstacles.
Okay. So basically, Gregor Mendel conducted controlled experiments. Okay, observing of course on how one trait is passed down from the parent to its offspring. So basically, dito yung brana. Okay? So nanyan ito mga tinusar na ito may sa pipla or ito na pipla. So apay nga ideal kano para kini Gregor Mendel iti pipla. He mentioned 5 characteristics of a pipla. So apay nga ideal para kani sa experiment. Because it had clearly contrasting traits that were easily distinguished or distinguishable. So ano naging sa traits? Seed shape, the color na, the langa, the flower, the color the flower na, the color ni pad na, the position ni flower na and din siya kamato may samula. Okay, or din height na kung nakatid. So seed shape, round, can wrinkled, seed color, yellow and green. Nakasuna ni Miss Clovo ay Miss Vera Tatay, Vera, kung nakatid. Nasa balik lang nga, din siya may sa kulay, kung nakatid siya may sa bukel, kasi din may sa bukel. Okay, the flower na, okay, purple and white kano. Okay, the pad color na, green and yellow. Okay, the flower position na, axial and terminal. And then for the plant height, ductile and basit or tall and dwarf. Okay, so aside from those characteristics, naturally, okay, ni pollen, kaya na hindi ang self-pollinate. Okay, which ensure na true breed, hindi siya ma-produce, hindi siya i-cross-pollinate na. Okay, third, it could also cross-pollinate manually and can allow controlled mating. Okay, fourth is that it had short generation of time or short generation time. So, masit laeng the time nga latent kanya natakbon dumakyan suna. And then fifth is that it can produce large number of offspring, making statistical analysis most probable, or probable I should say. Now, in the experimental design of Regorman, that I should say, he performed two specific experiments. Inubran na siya monohybrid process or process can dihybrid process. Okay, anyan pag dumaan ni monohybrid can dihybrid process. Any idea? Monohybrid can dihybrid. From the name itself, anyan pag dumaan ni mono can di. Ni mono may isa, ni di dua. Okay, relating it to the experiment ni Gregor Mendel. Ayan pag dumaan na din offspring na hindi monohybrid can dihybrid. Any idea? Peliedo?
Gabrielson. Gabrielson. Gab. G. Gabrielson. Gabriel. Renz Nelson.
Gabriel. Double. Yung sa
Timono hybrid, sir, but across between two individuals that differing in one characteristic. So while we dihybrid, but Mr. Tay, across between two individuals, sir, but differing in two characteristics.
So, in summary, okay, yung monohybrid ko na tayo, one trait at a time. Okay, so dihybrid ko na tayo, two traits simultaneously ang sabsabay. Okay, so he recorded offsprings or offspring numbers over multiple generations. Okay, ay dinag-cross-pollinate suna, haluin din na-produce na. Okay, phenotypically and genotypically. Okay, so he analyzed resulting using mathematics and probability and novel approach in biology at that time. Okay, so we'll discuss that into no sa mga subject or topics na natin. Ano din yung na. Okay, so with that experiment, he concluded two laws for segregation. Okay, or laws of inheritance, I should say. We have for monohybrid, that is the law of segregation. Okay, ayan pakon po ng law of segregation. Any idea? So yet again, with that experiment that was conducted by Gregor Mendel, he proposed two specific laws. Okay? First is the law of segregation, also called as the monohybrid laws. Any idea what is all about law of segregation? Nagsumbat ka sa tayo. Matanong naman. Again, one trait at a time. Sige, panunutan tayo basit or let's focus more on alleles this time. Yes, Penieto. Ladmay. So from the word itself, okay, the law of segregation ko na kayo, these two alleles, okay, separate during reproduction. Okay, and therefore, each gametophyte then receives one allele. Okay, so for example, for the egg cell and then for the sperm cell, sa gisada iti allele. Okay, so matilanam, nagtipon na sa kininanang kinitatang mo kasi ada iti allele na nagapukan niya na ada iti allele na nagapukan ay ada allele na nagapukan tatang mo, ada allele na nagapukan ni nanang mo equals U. Okay, ito kasama kanya kasi bunggot lang na, kit na sa well, nasa simbunggot ni tatang ko, kaya dinanang ko. Yung blood ni Hana. Diba? Okay, so at fertilization, these alleles, okay, from two parents combined to restore one pair. Okay, now, from those definition, sino pabalin na umay ang drawing, makasanot lang nga iti law of segregation. Di ba kung tayo, lagda po iti traits from one, or from each of, English na siya yan. Lagda po iti traits iti one parents. Okay? And then during reproduction, okay, si Mesa, Lapan, and sa Gisada ko nakit din nagtipon. And then during pinag-created, nag-create so na iti different types of alleles or different types of alleles, combinations. So pabalin mo may drawing na kasunod na ngayon law of segregation. Sino? Sino mas ka? Nangyari? Patay pela. Sino pabalin mo may mga drawing na naawat ang lang the law of segregation? Pakakyaw lang kasi ito no chapter 2, ito yung i-discuss the law of segregation. The Punnett square and many others. Who wants to try? Alam ka tayo, drawing mo yan, hands tayo. Ano yung 147 rin yan eh? 17 or 24 lang yan eh. Sino? Wala si Kakaroga sa sinyasa na kanikanya na Mag-drawing ka man diagram ng beta. Diagram mo lang. Diagram mo lang. Pag sinabi ng beta. Again, from two parents, di ba, iba sa mga tao, or di ba sa mga electrical takes to alleles. So, una na, nag-ibulong tayo sa gisa na average of spring na. Okay? Pagsasanawag lang beta atin po. Sa engaging na ako, ang babawa. Pinagsisina lang talaga. Diba? Baga tatakalinaanan niya kayo. Ang itatang niya. Sa family tree, go. Parent 1, Sige. A law of segregation. Okay, remember these. There are two types of alleles. Okay, each have or has homozygous, or each parents are homozygous. Kaya yan nakasawal ng homozygous, kaya yan nakasawal ng heterozygous. Salamat. Okay, ulitin tayo In law of segregation, each parent contains homozygous alleles. Yan nakasawal ng homozygous, kaya nakasawal ng heterozygous.
Two of the same alleles, two different alleles.
Sino kita empada and sino kita tikaan na empada?
Homo.
Ito.
Same.
Okay, homo, Ilocano, empada. Puro tilatan. Dating ang road.
Aguma.
Okay, so yet again, in law of segregation, each parent contains homozygous alleles. Ayan lang ang laro ng tata. Kawatan, the father, already ang sila or ang sinokatarat, basta homozygous ka na dua. Okay, and with the definition of law of segregation, ang ipadawa. You know what I mean? So, nakawatan, ang ipadawa that's sa gisada. And during reproduction or during cellular division, ito brother dito, ang sinadawa ng kadwata. Nakawatan. That is now the production of the parent F1 generation. Okay, so mabalin nyo matawagin na tayo F1. We will look at more detail next meeting. Okay, so with this, okay, with the creation of the F1 during the heterozygous activity, okay, it contains or it creates gametes. Well, ano yung gusto niya gametes na tayo? Ada pang lalaki, kaya ada pang babae. So ang sinada ulit. Okay? And dependent to, no sino appear during design, reproduction, or during the maturation of the cells located in the body. So with that, with the creation of that specific pattern, okay, the Punnett square data kasunod na nga na. So we'll discuss this in more detail as we go along with our topic. I-introduce ko lang mga niya dito. Okay, and therefore, in law of segregation, it creates two specific ratio. Okay, the genetic ratios will be the phenotypic ratio. It contains 3:1. Yan, phenotype lang tayo at dito. Okay, yung phenotype, genetically. Okay, with this, kasunod tayo ng baga na 3:1. Iti genotypic or phenotypic, I should say. Kasunod na nagbalin na 3:1 phenotypic. Let's just say green dito, yellow dito. So green and yellow, green and yellow, tapos green and yellow. So, deltoid, green, deltoid, yellow. Deltoid, ayan, product na mga ulit delta. Green. Deltoid nga ron. Green. Deltoid nga ron. Green. Deltoid.
Yellow.
Okay, so phenotypically, tanlo na green, mag-isa na yellow. So, yan again, that is the product of law of segregation. And genotypically, 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 9. Apay ba't na niya baga 1 is to 2 is to 1?
May isang ako.
May isang homozygous dominant. 1. Heterozygous dominant. And then may isang Amo yung ba't pagdudumaan na dito tinatalo? Okay, we need to discuss na rin. Thank you. Next, the dihybrid 4 minutes lang. Okay, i-discuss nga mo ulit yung dihybrid. Tapos yung mauli, tatao lang nag-dependent ng brada. Aan nga, in detail, paka-pure kasi yan ang inyong biotechnology. Tataka sir?
Science.
Dapat nag-good lang po. Sige, sa mali na rin di ko ayaw. Siguro 4 year. Now, anamat ni rod ti dihybrid cross na makulong ko na. Okay? Kung natin natay, 2 alleles simultaneously. So, at ato ba sit dito? So, in genetic ratio, at the is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, so kaano 1 is to 2, kaya nga 3 is to 1, ano 1 is to 2 is to 1. So, kanya na, 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 for dihybrid cross. Okay. Anyone who wants to draw 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Kasi no tayo i-trace din dyan. Again, 2 alleles simultaneously. Dato yung sa isa lang, di ba?
9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1.
Ilan pa dyan naman tayo? 1? Nalala lang tayo. Ano? Twice. Wants to draw dihybrid cross. Ay, pwede yan. Ay, 1 and 1. Okay. 2 alleles at the same time. Kung klase yung mas marunong mo yan, sita. Medyo overtake. Dito tayo 2 alleles in 1 yeah, 2 alleles. Anak na pa man ito is mga alleles. Go! Kapag ano ito na? Tapos si Kami Kung na data table, anya dito ng alleles para ano dito? Balik sa road ka, ang tanong example na yun. Chapter 1. Yeah.
mga yan ay mas nakal kanayo na sa tuwang kayo. Ano ba bakit pinatawag na mamanan niyo 2 years from now? Sa lantag masters kanyayo, just a brief background na nito to Brian ka. Kastoy. Kastamis mo. Sila pala dyan sa akin nila sa mag-theology. Report. Word. Ali yung kinakalimutan. Sino talaga? Sino talaga? Okay. Tataatin ko, i-code mo ang naligitan na aliens. Girl, boy, baklatang mo yung tayo.
Girl. GB. Bandi.
Girl, boy, baklatang mo. Girl. Bakla. Okay. Manunga girl, manunga boy, manunga bakla, manunga boy. Tapos, timbo ko lang, or light lang gaya ang manunga girl. Okay. Starang manunga boy. Kami ni triangle na manunga bakla. Kaya kami ni asterisk na itong boy. Wait lang. Girl, boy, bakla, boy, mali, apay. May text na. Hindi nga mo. Kanya niya ang tama ng tulog. Kamalyan na, tahaan ng girl, bakla, tulog. Physical, nagana din, shape na tan, tapos shape and color. Yung FF, adin ko, takpil ni F, basit ni F, square and tayo? Color and shape ko lang tatay ba? Square and blue. SB. Starbucks. Sarap SB. Si SB nun. MB. MB. Natakit Mamon Can Blue. Tapos PB. Alam PB. Pink and Mamon Can naglaglag ka na Sheep gaya. Circle can CP. Tapos heart can last na ba kan? HB.
Rectangle.
Tapos, oblong in
Red.
Okay, go. Manong SB, manong CP, manong HB, manong manong SB, manong CP, manong HB, manong OY. Sa kulang na talo sino ka ng quadrants libela. Yung libela dito yung SB, surat ang SB, dito yung CP, surat ang CP, dito yung HB, surat ang HB, dito yung CP, OY, surat ang OY. Tapos makita kung sino yung kita, o sino kanyata, tapos makita, pinahintitiwan. 9331 nga, genotypic or phenotypic? Genotypic or phenotypic ang dito? In dihybrid cross. Is it genotypic or phenotypic? Phenotypic. Tapos,